Hello everyone. So today I'm planning to start an HTML session for all the beginners. So who doesn't have basics of HTML will be the right person who to watch this video. Whoever has basic steps, they can either skip this video, or if they want to revise, if you guys want to revise your skills in HTML, you can keep watching the video. So let me tell you about the HTML. Let me give you a quick description about the HTML. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language that is used for creating the websites or whatever pages we are using in our day-to-day life. That is either directly or indirectly the part of the HTML. Okay, so HTML is very simple. So even if you don't know the steps, or you're not from the coding, you don't have background about coding, that's okay. Okay, everyone has to be take the first step to be a part of it, right? It's okay to be nervous. Everyone was nervous at the first time. So let's get started. So let me just show you the syntax of the HTML. This is the syntax of our HTML. Okay, every HTML page will start with an HTML tag and ends with an HTML tag, and every other content will be enclosed by this HTML tag. There are two types of tag, that is opening tag and closing tag, and in detail we will get to know. For now you can just get to know that there will be closing and opening, and there are other tags also who just have opening tags only, that we will discuss in the coming lesson. For now, let's just concentrate on our syntax. So as you can see, in this HTML tag there are other tags like head, title, body, h1p. So I will discuss it one by one so you can get an idea about that. So it's okay to be nervous, it is your first time. So let's get started. In this you can see that there is a head tag. Head tag is having another tag which is a title. This title tag is nothing but title of a page. As you can see, this page has a HTML tutorial as a title, and this one has W3 Schools Write Editor. So whatever we are writing in our HTML page, that title, that will be the title of our page. Okay, and coming to the body tag will be our main content. So let me just go through this, try it yourself so you can get a good idea about this. As you can see here, this is our h1 tag. So whatever content it's inside the body, that is you can see on this our page. This is our page, our actual page of the code which we have written on the leftmost side, and the output is on the rightmost side. Okay, the page I am referring is a W3 School. It is a very useful page. There are other technologies also you can refer from this. So let me get back here, and this h1 tag is a head tag. Okay, in our HTML there are 6 head tags that starts with h1 and ends with h6. h1 is our largest head tag in HTML, and h6 will be the smallest one, and others h2, h3, h4, h5 and so on till h6 will be the intermediate one between h1 and h6. Okay, so as you can see here, right now there is an h1 tag and there is a para tag. Let me just create a simple tag, say h6, so you can get an idea about what's the difference between this h1 and h6. This is a heading. I'm just typing the same content, so you can see. Sorry, yeah, and one more thing, suppose I am typing here h2, you can see that there is a red color error here. Okay, why? Because in HTML h6 tag is open here and it is expecting a closing h6 tag, but the tag we have provided is h2. That's why it's showing an error, that the code is having some error. That's why it is expecting h6 tag. So just put it here h6. and you can see that error is now vanished away. So right now our page is this. Okay, this is dynamic, completely dynamic. That means whatever changes we are writing on the code, that will be reflecting immediately in our page. So I'm just going to go here and click on run, and see there is a new tag created here, that nothing but our h6. So you can see the difference between h1 and h6. h6 is having the smallest head tag, okay, and this is our largest head tag. So this is our HTML page that we just created. Okay, this was our first HTML page that we got created here, and this we are using it inside our W3 school, but we can create a local HTML page in our using our notepad. So I will explain you more details about the tags in HTML that we need to know first, and what are all the tags, and I will mention you how to use it, what is the uses of it, how many tags are there, all that will be coming in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.